Hi, I'm Joe Meisch. I'm the inventor of the Temple Massager, and I just wanted to offer this video to say hello and thank you very much for your purchase. I hope the Temple Massager brings you relief. So let's get into how to use it. First thing is you need to know that this is your pressure adjustment. So you'll see the arms opening and closing by turning the turnbuckle here. You'll want different pressures at different times. You'll want lighter pressure up here on the temple, and you'll probably want a little more pressure down here on your masseter muscle on your jaw. So adjusting the pressure is critical. You'll find what you like the best. Next up, the massage tips. You'll notice there's a single tip. That's the acupressure point. So there's 21 acupressure points on the side of the head, and this pressure point is really good for hitting those acupressure points. And basically, people end up finding a spot and they'll leave the temple massager hanging while they type or work, and that's your acupressure. So this massage tip's really good at getting into the bone muscle connective tissue. So in other words, it's penetrating deep into your masseter muscle underneath the cheekbone. You'll probably go a little bit lighter on the temple area with this single point. Might be a little too aggressive for up here, but you can lighten the pressure by opening the arms and still enjoy that single tip. Your second set of massage tips, you'll find everything up in the handle. Just remove the cap and you'll find all these extras. Here's your massage tip that mimics the thumb. If you turn it over, it's a big flat spot. That mimics the palm. So the massage tips, play with them, use them. You'll find one that you like the most. Moving along, you'll see the white pad here. So you'll take your aromatherapy oil and little white pad, and that's where you put the aromatherapy oil. Just a little bit of oil on the pad. Don't put the whole vial contents on this pad. It'll be too much, the oil will spill out, and you'll have to wipe it up. So you'll see the pad turn a darker color. That means it's saturated and you got enough oil on there. So you want to face the pad up. That way, as you're using the temple massager, you're breathing deep, and you'll notice the aromatherapy pad's right there. So if I'm practicing deep breathing, then I'll get the most out of that aromatherapy. While you're using the temple massager, you need to practice mindfulness. In other words, just stop thinking. Don't think about your bills or your problems or what hurts. Just focus on breathing deep, focusing attention on the massage, action up here in the temporalis, down here lower. You'll want to tighten the pressure up down when you get down lower in your jaw. It feels really good. And so cross fiber muscle stimulation, very important. It's in medical literature. Your temporalis and masseter muscles travel up and down. So you can see I'm going cross the fiber, so that's really important. Make little circles, go right around your ear. It feels really good. A lot of people with tinnitus report that it feels good to massage right into the ear, right around the eyes, just little tiny circles, letting your eyes close. Again, be very cognizant of your pressure. Maybe don't use too much. It won't feel good. So constantly figuring out your pressure, you'll find what works for you. That feels really nice for me right there. So we've got the multiple massage tips. You'll see they just very easily switch around. The tri-point feels really good. That's the second favorite of mine. And the aromatherapy, of course, facing up. You can put whatever aromatherapy oil you want on there. It just comes with lavender because that's the most oriented towards calming. So it's versatile. Put whatever oil you want on there. You may have a favorite. Next most important thing is this lotion. This lotion basically is applied to your cheek, below your cheekbone, down on the masseter muscle, your back of your jaw, if you will, and a little bit on the temple area. A few things about this. It's going to break the friction between the massage tip and your skin. That way you're not irritating the skin because you're rubbing on it. You don't want to irritate your skin, that won't be fun. So this feels really nice, it's very comfortable, smells good. The lotion is beeswax, mango butter, shea butter, coconut oil, and I had the custom formulator add arnica for pain relief and St. John's wort for inflammation relief. So it's external use only, and it's right there in your temple area, your jaw. And so when you're using the temple massager, it's very important to remember to let your mouth hang open. You don't go get a massage and hold your arm out while you're getting your arm massaged. No, it's down, it's relaxed, it's unengaged. So your mouth to be unengaged means you need to let it hang open. Your eyes need to be closed. You should be practicing deep breathing and mindfulness. Deep breathing lowers your blood pressure, so who doesn't need that? So deep breathing, mindfulness, adjust the pressure, aromatherapy, pick your tips. Lotion is critical. You can use any lotion you want. I provided this one. If you have something that you like that's better, go with that. So ideally you're seated, your arms resting in the arm of a chair, maybe a pillow's under it, and one hand and let your head hang down. This should all be relaxed. And again, you're moving around, you're hitting all the temporalis coming underneath your cheekbone. You get all that little musculature right here. It feels really good, letting the mouth hang open. And so anywhere you're at, travel, school, work, home, do not use this while you drive. Do not use the temple massager while you are driving. So anywhere else, yes, please use it. Temple massager has been used by service members and veterans for 14 years all around the world. It's been used in combat areas, forward operating bases in the Middle East. It's going to help combat level stress relief. It's probably going to help your day-to-day relief. So I really truly thank you for your support. We're an independent, veteran-owned, made in USA company, so it really matters, and we appreciate your purchase here at Temple Massager. And always feel free to communicate with us with any testimonials, stories, questions, issues, questions, comments, or concerns. I'm Joe Meisch. I invented it. Thank you for your business, and I hope you're well. Thank you.